It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BVTK. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like past few months worth of time, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis multiple times in the past. Been a few days though since the last update, so that's where the red and green line is coming from. And really the red and green line still 100% pertain to the chart. And this video should be pretty short because there's really not much else I can say from a technical perspective. And it's essentially a popcorn pattern, meaning you got to just wait for something to happen. So what are the quote-unquote two happens? Well, the first thing that could happen is a breakdown of the channel being made up of this green line here at 0008, the support portion, and the top of the channel being made up of the red line up there, the resistance portion at 0012. So like I said, the first something that could quote-unquote two happen would be a breakdown. So if the price breaks down to the downside, that would be the first event that from a technical perspective, okay, that's something worth noting. The other thing that quote-unquote two happen could be a breakout, and a breakout being pushing up through 0012. Now, there's been some fake breakouts here in the past where the prices temporarily, peaked its head up above that level, but as far as any sort of follow through, that has been lacking. So until one of those things happen, again, a breakdown through 0008 or a breakout through 0012, not too much to say from a charting perspective. It's truly a waiting game. So yeah, throw that popcorn in the microwave, put some butter on it if you want, and we just got to kind of sit back and wait for something to happen. So 0008, 0012, two key levels. We'll see if something happens or not next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.